So you've got these kids that they're just almost painfully shy. And often, not always, those kids may have some sensory issues where they're just easily overwhelmed. And just the environment itself is a little bit much for them. Those kids, it's best to try to meet them at their happy place. And what I mean by that is, if you're doing home-based therapy, try to be in a spot where they feel really comfortable, or do some sensory warm-up to help them organize their bodies. Maybe some heavy work, maybe some crab walks over to the kitchen table, wherever you're going to be together, whatever it happens to be. But if you're just having a hard time getting them to engage in the process, then bring everything down to the one-word level. Pick a game to play with them that only requires a one-word response. I might think about something like, oh, here's a good one. I was doing this with a little girl the other day. We were playing a game where we had little Disney princesses, just little pictures of them. And every time we took a lick of the food, we just turned over the card to see which princess we got. So for example, if you have a really shy little girl or boy who loves princesses, they might not be able to say, I got Ariel, or I got Belle, but they might be able to say, I got a princess every single time. And then you're going to say, I got a princess on my turn. I got Belle, and expand that language a little bit, but never ask them to do any more than that. So this isn't a child who has a language delay, but they are extremely shy, and the best they can do is maybe just give us the same sentence with every response. Now what you're doing is you're rewarding the behavior of taking a lick or taking a bite or whatever you happen to be working on with a really simple way to respond and engage in the pragmatics of the two of you being together, and then slowly build from there. The other thing you can do is give them something to do that doesn't require any language whatsoever and doesn't even require eye contact, like having a marble works in front of you, and if they're going to take a lick, you're just going to hand them the marble. They know to put it up in the chute and have it travel down the marble works, and then everybody giggles at the end. So a lot of times you don't even have to have any verbal language. You can just have gestural language and engage in that way. So just keep taking it down a notch, and then gradually as they get more comfortable, you'll see it build from there.